Hey guys, it's Deepesha and today we're going to be talking about pores. What are pores, what causes pores, how to reduce the appearance of pores, and ultimately my product recommendations for treating, minimizing or reducing pore size. So before we get started, you guys know what to do. Like this video, also to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell icon right next to it so you get updated every time I post another video. So first things first, what are pores? Pores are these little channels in your skin, and depending on your skin type, if you are oily, you may see pores that are enlarged and that are more open and they are more in appearance. And if you have dry skin, there is a good chance that your pores are not that visible on the skin. So what exactly causes the opening or the enlarging of pores? So it is your natural skin oils or sebum that comes out of your pores, and sometimes the molecules of that oil production is so much that it tends to enlarge those pores, and when it's coming out of your skin, it just enlarges those pores and makes it stay like that, which is why oily skin people or congested skin people do tend to have enlarged pores that are much more visible to our naked eye. Two things that you really need to remember is, one is getting your skin congestion free, and second thing is to get some oil control of your skin. Now there are a lot of ingredients that help with that, but mainly one very important ingredient that helps with that is niacinamide. Niacinamide is somewhat looked upon as just a regular serum. You know, not a lot of people know how beneficial is niacinamide to oily skin or acne prone skin people, because it avoids congestion by controlling the oil produced by the sebaceous gland. So I have two recommendations for niacinamide serum. One is from Dermaco, which is a 10% niacinamide serum which has vitamin B3. It has zinc and you can use it from day and night. So if you have acne marks, if you have oily skin, if you have congested skin, you can try having a niacinamide serum once in a day at least, and that would really help with the oil control of your skin. Another serum that I really recommend is the Drsheths Centella and Niacinamide serum. It has 10% niacinamide, 1% of zinc and 0.1% of sodium hyaluronate. It is very good for hydrating the skin as well as really great for sensitive skin types also, because it has Centella in it. It helps with sensitivity. Also because of the sodium hyaluronate, it helps with hydration of the skin. So I really like this serum quite a bit. Now, once you have incorporated niacinamide in your routine, remember that AHAs and BHAs do help a lot with the exfoliation. Now, AHAs, glycolic acid, lactic acid, helps a lot with resurfacing the skin. It helps with smoothing out the pores that are already there on your skin. It helps smoothing out the appearance of that. And BHA, which is salicylic acid, does help with clearing out the pores, cleaning out the pores from inside. That really helps with that. So generally I use AHAs and BHAs maximum of 2 times a week. If in case I have a lot of textural issues or a lot of issues on my skin, I will maximum use it 3 times a week. If I'm using a very gentle exfoliant, then it will be 3 times a week. So I have a few product recommendations for chemical exfoliants that are really great and gentle on your skin. So the first product recommendation I have here is the Plum Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is really good. It has glycolic acid in it and it helps blur out your skin. It's slightly softening to the skin and it just helps with blurring out those pores. Next product recommendation I have here is the Dot & Key Hydro Peel Glow Potion. This has 10% of AHA and 2% of BHA, and this is very good in clearing out your pores as well as getting your pores to look a little bit minimized. Next, I have 3 BHA specific products. One is the Drsheths Neem and BHA Spot Clarifying Serum. If you have congestion in one area of your skin, you can just apply it, then leave it on overnight. Overnight, it will clean out all those pores in your congestion. It will make it so much easier. This is one of my favorite BHA products. The second one specific to BHA I have is the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. This is like a toner form of BHA. I really like it. It does not have salicylic acid, but it has a sister form of salicylic acid, which is slightly gentler to the skin. It clears out my blackheads and whiteheads, any gunk that is sitting in my skin, any congestion that is sitting in my skin. It really helps with all of that. The third product is from MINIMALIST. This is the Salicylic Acid 2% serum. This is really affordable and it's really good for oily skin type. Again, gets rid of all the gunk in your skin, and it is also very affordable. I've recently found this one and I've really liked it so far. We've spoken about niacinamide, we've spoken about AHAs and BHAs to help blur out the pores and also get rid of the gunk inside your pores. So the most important ingredient that really helps blurring out those pores and making your skin look really smooth is retinoid. Retinol is one of the most important ingredient out there for pores or any kind of textural issues on your skin. So what retinol does is that it rapidly increases the cell turnover, which means you're getting newer and newer skin and faster, which makes your pores look much more smoother and it makes your pores reduce in size. So retinol is one of my favorite ingredients because it helps with a lot of skin texture issues. So two of my favorite product recommendations for retinol, one is the Drunk Elephant A Passione Retinol Cream, and the second one is from Minimalist, which is a Retinoid 2% cream. So I really like both of these products a lot. One is really affordable and the other one is slightly on the expensive side, so you can decide what suits you. Alright, so with that being said, I hope I helped you all with a lot of your questions about pores and pore size and how to reduce them. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. You can also DM me on Instagram and follow me on Instagram for more tips and tricks, and I would be happy to help you out over there. Alright, so if you like this video and found it helpful, do give this video a thumbs up. Also to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon right next to it. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.